In this video, what I'm going to do is show you how to set up a brand new page from scratch. And in order to do that, what we need to do is go over to where it says Pages. We need to go to Add New. Once we click on Add New, we can name the page whatever we want. Let's just type in Test Page. And I'm going to go ahead and click on Edit with Builder. Now, once we click on Edit with Builder, you're going to notice a pre-designed template will pop up. This is actually what your property page will look like. It may be a different color. What I'm going to do is start with a brand new template, and I'm going to go down to the bottom left-hand corner, and you're going to notice a gear icon. It says Settings. I'm going to go ahead and click on that. Then once the column pops up, I'm going to go to where it says Page Layout right here. I'm going to select the drop-down menu and click on Elementor Canvas. And as you can see, there's a blank page that actually pops up. At this point, what you can do is you can literally drag and drop whatever you want into the page. As you can see, like so, you can type in whatever you want if you decided to. Or what you can do, I'm just going to delete this quickly. You can literally design the page to look however you want it to look. If you're good at that, then great. If not, you can hire someone to do that for you. Another thing you can do is click on the folder here. And you're going to notice some templates actually pop up. What I'm going to do is go ahead and select on My Templates. And I'm just going to select Buyers. I'm going to insert that. And as you can see, my buyer template actually popped up. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete. I'm going to right click and delete this logo here. I'm going to go up to the top here and I'm going to select image. I'm going to drag the image over into the page. It's going to come up really big. I'm going to resize the image down to, let's say, a medium 300 by 300. I'm going to hover over the image icon, select Choose Image, and I'm going to select my company logo. That's still a little too big for me, so what I'm going to do is simply resize it. I can custom resize it, or I can simply resize it myself. I'm just going to go down to 200 by, let's say, 100 and see how that looks. Okay, that's still a little too big. So I'm just going to pre-select an image, and you can obviously play around with that as much as you want. You can get it to where you see fit. You know, for the purposes of this video, I'm just going to leave it at 300 by 300. I think that size looks pretty decent right there. Next thing I want to do is I want to make sure that this color is the color that I want. In order to change this color, I can simply click inside the box. I can go up to this 50-50 circle here. I can change the color right here if I so please. You know, I can make it green. I can pretty much make it any color that I want. If I have the hex code, I am going to make it orange the purposes of this video. And I can also change the details of this button here. I can make it say whatever I want down at the bottom here or in the side column right here. And then I can add a link right here. So that's how you customize your page. Another thing you can do, if you've already set up a pre-designed form, you can go to the grid here, select short code. You can drag the short code if you didn't want a button to pop up, and you can simply paste the short code in there. And then the details that you want the buyer to fill out can show up on this page. The last thing you want to do is make sure that you change the name of your company as well. And that's how you design a landing page from scratch. In this case, it's your buyer's landing page.